Today I'm going to show you how to paint indoor plant, and I finished drawing the pot. I can start to draw the leaves. I use abstract round brush to draw the leaves, and next I will use sharp round brush to draw the stalks with black color. And next, I will draw the patterns on the leaves. I will use sharp round brush and just put many dots on the leaves. And after that, I will put more patterns, like patterns, on the leaves. Okay, after that, I will put more shadow on the leaves. Put a light green color on the leaves to make it look more interesting. Okay, after that, you can adjust the light of the shadow by selecting soft light at that layer. Next, we will use water blender brush to blend the color at the light patterns. To make it more interesting, we will make the random lights on the plants. Next, we will add shadow on the pot at the bottom. You can add shadow under the pot. Yes, and then it's done.